The renovation of all pavement layers of the racetrack at Barber Motorsports Park near Birmingham, Alabama, USA, was executed in the summer of 2019. Granite's team, based in Indio, California, was invited to bid for the project based on their knowledge and expertise on racetracks. The given construction period was 41 days, but the actual window for construction was shorter because of summer thunderstorms. Due to the high standards of smoothness and compaction required for this racetrack, Granite flew a 28-person crew across the country for the project. Their equipment also needed to be first class to meet the standards of the demanding project. Based on previous success with Sakai teams and equipment, the Granite crew partnered with Sakai for work on compaction and smoothing. Granite also chose Sakai based on our performance, simplicity, reliability, and technical support. In the breakdown position, the SW850ND was used in oscillatory mode. The intermediate position was handled by the SW774 and SW654ND. And finally, the R2H-4 was used in the finish position. The project was completed successfully as scheduled and exceeded the owner's expectations.